Guys, today I am going to practice about past continuous tense, that what is happening in this tense and how can we express our thoughts, in which condition we can use of this tense. So let's practice. First we take a structure and then we will start. So structure is subject plus was verb plus verb of fourth form and then object. So subject was were. Here is a one condition, was and were, where we have to use of was and where we have to use of were. So let's start. Was used for subject of I, he, she or any singular name with, we have to use of was. And were, and next is a were used for you, we, they. Use of this type of subject we have to use of were. Okay, all right. So in which condition we have to use this tense is based on a past, that in past tense we have to use of this subject and this tenses and this verbs and main verbs and whatever etc. So when this situation, this type of that work is going on in past time, we are going to talk about past, and in past the work was going on. Let's take an example, because without example we can't understand, we can't imagine, because structure is based, that is example, that yes, example is comes and our mind is create active, that yes, this type of situation is going on and in this side we have to use of this. So let's start. So start, I already told you that use of was and were. Was used for I, he, she and any singular name, and were used for you, they, we. Alright, and any plural nouns. Okay, alright, let's start. I was going to market. She was jumping in the pond. He was studying at night. They were laughing. She was crying for Kit. She was happy for the football. They were dancing for anniversary. She was jumping in large, actually the word is not coming in my mind. Most of the time this type of situation is comes like that, I want to express my thoughts, but words is exact time not come. If I will stop the video, that time many words comes, and then the time of the speaking, that time not word comes. But no problem, I will try, and I am trying absolutely, because practice is important. Yes, without practicing, no problem, now you are making mistake, no problem, now words comes in, now word is not come in your mind, no problem, regular continuing, sometimes later you will grow, no problem. Okay, so she was studying, she was reading books, you were watching. They were coming. They were helping. Yeah, of course, this type of sentences is used in this situation, that work is done in past, and then past the work is going on. Work was going on. So we are express here. And one thing I want to tell you, that this tense, when you were a student, that time many books, stories, all stories based on past time. That whatever story you read books, so you can see that all stories about the past. So you, and one thing other is that whenever you speak to someone about a story, if you tell a story to your friends, so this story is also based on past tense. Yeah, of course. So it is right way. And you if you use your daily routine chat, if you tell to persons about your last day, so it is also about on past, and you can express about past time, and some changes is going on, and it is not big deal, it is very easy. Of course, just need of practice. I already told you, and I will always say that yes, practice is most important. We can say that practice is a weapon of speaking. Of course, listen to me, that if we speak, if we use this language, so many words comes in our mind. And if we are only thinking, so many word comes in your mind only for thoughts, not for speak, because your many words in your mind, not in your tongue. If you will try to speak, so word comes on your tongue. Are you getting my point? So need of practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. Yeah, so all the best. And if this video is useful to you, so like, share and subscribe.